Hello friends, here the 10 most important questions of the subject nursing aptitude. Let's move on. The question number first is an instrument used to record the electrical activity of the heart over a period of time is known as. And here the options: option A EEG, B dialysis, C ECG, D heart recorder. And the answer is ECG. Now move on. The question number second is a common machine used to sterilize the saturated steam is known as, and the option is scalpel, B centrifuge, C autoclave, D nebulizer, and the correct answer is autoclave. Now move on. Third question. An emergency life-saving procedure performed when the heart stops beating is known as. And here the options. Option A ECG, option B EEG, option C CPR, and option D NCR. And the correct option is CPR. Now move on. Next question. Question number 4. What is cold? And here the options: option A burn by liquid or gas, option B a burn by fire, option C a break in your leg, option D being between with a stick. And the answer is a burn by liquid or gas. Now move on. Next question, question number 5. Which authority set the standards for hospitals in India? And here the options: option A NABH, option B NBRI, option C CBI, and option D DRDO. And the correct answer is NABH. Now move on. Question number 6. What are the temperatures maintained in March? And here the options: option A 0 degrees Celsius say 2 degrees Celsius, B 2 degree to 4 degrees Celsius, option C 4 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius, and the last is 6 degrees Celsius say 8 degrees Celsius. And the answer is 2 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. Now move on. Question number 7. What color code is used for a person suffering from cardiac arrest? And here the options: option A red, option B blue, option C black, and option D green. And the answer is red. Now move on. Question number 8. The time period between entering of pathogen inside the body and appearance of first symptoms is called as. And here's options: incubation period, B reserve period, C entering time, D pathogenic time. And the correct answer is incubation period. Now move on. Question number 9. Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes. And here the options: option A night blindness, option B scurvy, option C Parkinson's anemia, and option D diabetes. And the correct answer is Parkinson's anemia. Now move on. The last and question number 10. When recording blood pressure, the sound which can be heard with a stethoscope placed over the artery is termed as. And here's the options: option A sound, option B crackle sound, option C croak cough sound, and option D murmurs. And the answer C is the right answer. And thank you for this watching video, and follow for more updates and video. So